Hello and a very warm welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, welcome back. So let me set the scene. It's been a lovely sunny day. You've had a most enjoyable meal from the barbecue and a few drinks. The sun is beginning to set and, well, whilst you're not hungry, you fancy something else to eat. On my Weber Q, I'm cooking this lovely dessert. It's the perfect finale to any barbecue. Here's a recipe that's simple, quick and delicious. First, take the juice of a lemon, a quarter cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a quarter teaspoon of allspice. Whack it all into a pan and put it onto a hot barbecue. This has been warming up for about 15 minutes and is at about 250 degrees C. Give it a stir and continue to heat until the sugar has melted into a bubbling syrup. Whilst that's going on, I'll peel and quarter a couple of bananas. Add the bananas to the syrup and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure they're thoroughly coated. Well, to me, they look done. Caution needs to be taken at this stage. I've added 3 tablespoons of Grand Marnier to a measuring cup, which I've warmed and ignited. Into the sauce it goes. I've also darkened this scene so as the flames are visible. Well, as you've just seen, the flames are anything but spectacular. In daylight you wouldn't even see them. And to be honest, it tastes as good whether it's set alight or not. In fact, the next time I cook it, I'm going to call it Bananas in Grand Marnier. So there it is, Bananas Flambe, served with vanilla ice cream. This is a dessert that without doubt definitely hits the spot. I've got some cracking recipes I'll be cooking on my Weber Q, so please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. All you've got to do is click the button. Well, that's all for now, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.